The next one, find the derivative of the following function, sin x into cos x. So we will name it as y. Y is equal to sin x into cos x. dy by dx equal to, we have to apply product rule, first function, and this is the second function. So first function sin x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So what we get, minus sin square x plus cos square x. Cos x into cos x is cos square x. This can be rewritten as cos square x minus sin square x. Either you can stop here. Otherwise, this is a trigonometric result. And cos square x minus sin square x gives you the value cos 2x. Okay. Moving to the second one, sec x. To find sec x, what we will do is, instead of sec x, we can write it as cos x because sec x is the reciprocal of cos x. Now we have a numerator and a denominator. We will apply quotient rule. dy by dx equal to denominator cos x into derivative of 1, that is 0, minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Denominator's derivative is minus sin x divided by denominator square, which is cos x the whole square. Cos x into 0 gives you 0, and minus 1 into minus sin x gives you sin x divided by cos x the whole square. Rewrite the term like this, sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. Okay, denominator contains cos x the whole square. So how we splitted the term, 1 cos x we gave to sin x by writing sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. What is sin x by cos x? It is tan x into, what is 1 by cos x? It is sec x. So derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Okay. Moving to the third one, 5 sec x plus 4 cos x. Give the name as y. Y is equal to 5 sec x plus 4 cos x. dy by dx will be equal to 5 into, now we know the derivative of sec x because we have calculated derivative of sec x as sec x into tan x. So you can directly apply here, derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x plus 4 into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. If I give positive and negative together as negative, I can write the answer as 5 sec x into tan x minus 4 sin x. Next one, cosec x. So here also y is equal to cosec x. Instead of cosec x, I can give the function as 1 by sin x. And to find the derivative, we will apply product rule. So denominator sin x into derivative of numerator 1 is 0 minus numerator into derivative of sin x is cos x divided by sin x the whole square. Sin x into 0 gives you 0. So what we get is minus cos x divided by sin x the whole square, which is equal to, here also we will split the term, minus cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x. Okay, that's equal to minus cos x by sin x is cot x into 1 by sin x is cosec x. So what's the derivative of cosec x? Derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Moving to the next one, 3 cot x plus 5 cosec x. Give the name as y. Y is equal to 3 cot x plus 5 cosec x. Just take the derivative, dy by dx equal to 3 into, what's the derivative of cot x? It is minus cosec square x. These formulas you have to by heart. 3 into derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x plus 5 into derivative of cosec x you have to by heart. We have done it in the previous question, and derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. So for this question, we can directly apply the value minus cosec x into cot x. So this can be rewritten as minus 3 cosec square x minus 5 into cosec x into cot x. Okay. The next one, 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. Here also give the value as y. Y is equal to 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. Directly differentiate. dy by dx equal to 5 into derivative of sin x is cos x minus 6 into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus 7 is a constant which is alone and its derivative is 0. So we can rewrite it as 5 cos x, and here there are 2 negatives which will be positive plus 6 sin x. And to the last question, 2 tan x minus 7 sec x. Y is equal to 2 tan x minus 7 sec x. So dy by dx equal to 2 into, what's the derivative of tan x? Derivative of tan x is sec square x minus 7 into, what's the derivative of sec x? Sec x into tan x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x and derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. If needed, you can take sec x as common. Otherwise, you can write the answer as 2 sec square x minus 7 tan sec x into tan x.